Okay.
Hi, hello. Hi, Stefan. Hello, Itamar. Thank you for taping us. And thank you all the people for watching us and studying with us. Here in this class of Pendulum, we're going to do a little relaxation. We are trusting the pendulum by the idea of, by the thing that we balancing ourselves. The pendulum goes swimming to the right, swimming to the left, positive, we go swimming positive, swimming negative, and at the same time is balancing us. The balance occurs, the balance is very effective in a way that it gives you some tranquility also. And what happened here is that it balanced our right and left, and it balanced our system through the chakras in a way. So we trust that he's doing a good job, a good work, and I handle the pendulum as I teach in the right hand. It's an entangling here. In the left hand, and the middle is touching, okay? The way we teach, we want to have the same height. I am open the same way like we did when we programmed the pendulum, like kind of in the air, very stick in the land, and we're going to say, pendulum, please, I want you to balance my system, my bodies, my body, my spirit, and my soul. Let's start. So I close my eyes, and I believe the pendulum, I trust that it's doing what I'm asking, and it's it's a matter of waiting and feeling what is happening. this is what happened. It's very relaxed, as you can see. I feel very good. What are you feeling, Stefan?
Also very good. Very center. There's some quietness.
Quiet.
Yes, all the front part.
It's a nice sensation, no?
Very nice.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank
There's also like some calmness.
Thank you very much. Thank you. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.